From the banks of Pa'alolo Stream in the community of Mo'ili'ili, Antoinette Lee, better known as Auntie Toni, has committed her life to servant leadership and continues to create transformational change in our communities today. Through her upbringing, she learned the importance of making a positive impact. Her parents taught her that if you want to make a difference, you can't just sit around and wait for someone to do something. You have to take action and drive the change yourself.
All the times that I've worked with her, I've never seen her do something for her own interest. It's always for the good of the Lahui, for Hawaii, for everything. So, I mean, just real integrity. She's super, super honest. She's super pono. The courage, I think, really inspires me. She's a warrior for justice, you know, and she's a champion for the future generations. And I mean, I think I'm so delighted that she's being honored.
Auntie Toni carried these lessons with her through her 41 years of federal civil service. During her years of service, she held various leadership roles in the Hawaiian community, such as President of the Association of Hawaiian Civic Clubs, the Pearl Harbor Hawaiian Civic Club, the Friends of the Hawaiian Band, and the Hawaiian Music Hall of Fame. She currently serves on the board of directors for the Aloha Festivals and is one of the most respected parade directors in Hawaii, orchestrating both the Floral Parade and the Prince Kuhio Commemorative Parade. These annual events gives us an invaluable opportunity to celebrate our Hawaiian ancestors, culture, and royalty.
Really believe in hikino, can do. And if you ever need anything, she's the go-to person, because if she cannot, she knows who can.
Auntie Toni continues to enrich the lives of others, not only through her community advocacy work, but also through the DOE's Kupuna component, where she teaches Hawaiian studies from kindergarten to 6th grade at Ma'anana Elementary School, imparting her knowledge and experience to the keiki to encourage a sense of belonging, appreciation, and stewardship for Hawaii nei.
Many of us who have been in the club, who are still members of the club, we grow with that attitude. Yeah, not like, ooh, no, let's not go, too tired. That doesn't happen. It's like, okay, you can do it.
Partners in Development Foundation is privileged to recognize Auntie Toni Lee as a recipient of the 2019 Pewa Award.